This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we replace the dead battery in a Cadillac key fob newly introduced in 2021 with a fresh one. We will use the tip of the fob's mechanical key as a tool, and we'll need a new CR2450 battery. We'll need to remove the mechanical key first. Look for the release button on the side of the fob as shown. Push it and pull on the keyring, and we have the mechanical key. It was hiding the spot needed to open the fob. Look for this gap in the exposed part of the fob. Insert the tip of the key. The idea is to push in and up just a bit on the back of the fob. Once the cover is moved up enough, it will fall away easily. What is visible now is a rubber membrane covering the battery. Note the bit that is below the lip of the fob, so don't try to remove it fully. The rest lifts away and we see the battery with its markings up. And there is our CR2450. We managed to get a fingernail under this bit of the battery to lift it away. Slip the new one in, starting at the top of the battery's space opposite where we got a fingernail in it to take it out. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth once again to wipe it down. Make sure the battery's markings are up. Push the rubber membrane back into place. Slip the back cover into place, starting at the end opposite the opening for the mechanical key. Then replace the mechanical key. Test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.